Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can perform the coffee oil removing in the Gran Aroma Deluxe Saeco. In the first step, we have to open the status. Then go to the right side and select Performance. Now choose the coffee oil removal. Click on the Start. Now we have to refill and replace the water tank. Then put the tablet of coffee oil remover to the pre-ground coffee, so in this place. Click on the Accept, place a container under the coffee spout, and click on the Start. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.